Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are comparing two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5080 OC. The RX 7800 XT is designed for high-performance 1440p gaming, boasting 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and a competitive price point of $599. In contrast, the RTX 5080 OC is a next-generation powerhouse, equipped with 16 GB of cutting-edge GDDR7 memory and priced at $1,399, targeting premium 4K and 8K gaming experiences. Join us as we explore their specifications, performance, and which card might be the right choice for you. When it comes to pricing, the XFX RX 7800 XT is significantly more affordable at $599, making it an excellent choice for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC comes with a premium price tag of $1,399, reflecting its advanced technology and capabilities. This price difference highlights the RX 7800 XT as a value-oriented option, while the RTX 5080 targets enthusiasts willing to invest in cutting-edge performance. The XFX RX 7800 XT is built on AMD's RDNA3 architecture, which excels in rasterization performance, particularly for 1440p gaming. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC utilizes NVIDIA's upcoming Blackwell architecture, promising superior ray tracing and AI capabilities. This architectural difference positions the RX 7800 XT as a strong contender for current gaming needs, while the RTX 5080 is designed for future-proofing and high-end performance. The target market for the XFX RX 7800 XT primarily includes gamers looking for excellent performance at 1440p without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC is aimed at enthusiasts who demand the best performance for 4K and 8K gaming, along with advanced features like DLSS 4. This distinction in target audience further emphasizes the RX 7800 XT's value proposition compared to the high-end capabilities of the RTX 5080. In conclusion, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT offers fantastic value for gamers focused on 1440p performance at a reasonable price. Meanwhile, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC represents the pinnacle of graphics technology, ideal for those seeking the ultimate gaming experience at 4K and beyond. Depending on your budget and gaming needs, both cards have their unique strengths. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.